Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the music player from the lock screen on your iPhone or iPad. If the music widget keeps appearing even when you are not listening to anything, don't worry, I have got 3 easy methods to fix it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. First close the app. If the music player appears on your lock screen when no music is playing, it usually means the app is still running in the background. Here's how to close it. Swipe up from the very bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. You'll see all open apps as card. Swipe the music app's card up and off the screen to close it. Method 2. Disconnect Bluetooth devices. Sometimes devices like AirPods, Bluetooth speakers or cars keep a now playing session active. To fix this, open the Settings app. On the Settings, tap Bluetooth. Here, disconnect the device or simply turn off Bluetooth. Method 3. Turn off Handoff and listening features. If the problem still exists, open the Settings, tap General, then tap AirPlay and Continuity. Turn off Handoff. Now go back to the main settings menu, find Siri and search and tap on it, and turn off Show when listening. And that's it. After this step, the music player should no longer appear on your lock screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.